Minsan ba dumaan sa isip mo o natanong mo sa sarili mo na bakit ang daming differences dito sa mundo? Tao, bagay, sadya ba ito ni God to test our kindness, humility? Today, new episode, new learning. Don't forget to watch the previous episode from 1 up to 19 episode. And this is episode 20. So, last episode ito ngayong taon. Today is December 28. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, everyone. Panoorin mula episode 1 hanggang 19 at syempre ngayon para marami kayong matututunan sa buhay at mabago ang perspective mo sa iyong buhay. Again, new episode, new learning. Welcome to GMC series, your daily source of wisdom, motivation, and financial growth. Here, we believe that success starts with the right mindset and wealth begins with the right knowledge. So if you are ready to take charge of your life, unlock your potential, not just a financial freedom, but also a wiser and stronger you, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell para sa mga upcoming episodes. Para sa ating second version, 2026. Dahil marami pa tayong kaabang-abang na mga topic, and of course, join our growing community of dreamers and doers. This is episode 20. The purpose of our differences. Have you ever stopped to wonder why there is a woman, a man, a child, an adult, why some others are tall and others short, some born into wealth and some hardship? So many differences. Why are so many cultures, languages, and religions spread across the world? It's not random. None of them is by accident. This is part of God's intricate design to help us see the beauty and challenges of human differences and to invite us into deeper understanding of life beyond ourselves. But instead of embracing these differences, we often resist them. When it comes to religions, we are quick to judge. We look at someone else's beliefs system and say, that's wrong. That's not how it should be. Forgetting that the very existence of diverse beliefs is a reminder that no one or person holds the full picture of truth. Walang kahit sinong tao o religion ang hawak ang katotohanan kung ano ba talaga ang dahilan ng pagkakaiba dito sa mundo. Pero isa lang ang kailangan natin malaman, na the differences, it's only a test from God how to be kind to other people even we have differences. Sana yung iba, don't judge quickly. Huwag mag-judge agad-agad, lalo na sa culture and religions, because it is really hard na usapan na yan. Dahil walang tama o mali sa atin at lahat valid. So respect And humility, it is very important. Diversity is not a threat to our faith. It's an invitation to grow in empathy. It challenges our assumptions, stretches our compassion, and teach us that love is greater than agreement. Not all answers can be found in book or laws. Some truths are revealed only through deep reflection. The moment of stillness and the quiet conversation with our heart and God. Sometimes it is not about winning a debate, but about listening with the intention to understand. Hindi natin kailangan manalo sa mga usapan. Ang mas mahalaga ay makinig para maintindihan natin. God created differences not to divide us into camps of us versus them, but to train our heart to love without conditions and to respect without reservations. The real test of faith is not how will we love those who are like us, but how sincerely we can honor those who are not. So we have 5 differences in life and how to understand them. First, gender. The difference, men and women may see, feel, and experience the world differently. So how to understand them? What is the solution para maintindihan natin? Instead of competing and stereotyping, celebrate the balance they bring. It reflects a unique part of God's image, meant to complement, not to cancel one another. So, hindi porket na lalaki siya ay powerful na siya. At hindi rin porket na babae, mahina na siya. Ginawa tayo ni God sa magkaibang purpose. So, syempre, sabi nga nila, ang lalaki ay haligi ng tahanan at ang babae naman ay ilaw ng tahanan. So, talagang magkaiba. Kaya, kailangan i-respect yung differences. Walang mas mataas dito sa mundo. Lahat tayo, babae o lalaki, pantay-pantay dahil merong tayong iba't ibang purpose kung bakit tayo pinapunta o na-invite ni God dito sa mundo. So, tandaan mo, nandito ka sa mundo, may purpose ka. Babae ka man o lalaki. Kaya, sana wala nang magsasabi na babae ka lang kasi kadalasan may mga tao na ina-underestimate ang kakayahan ng babae. Kahit na ako, naranasan ko na yan. Sinabi sa akin na babae ka lang, wala akong mapapala sa'yo. Mas importante daw sa kanya, mga lalaki. So, ayun. Sana, wag na natin madala sa susunod na generation. Babae man o lalaki, mahalaga at kailangan magkaroon ng respeto. Pangalawa, age. Child and adult. So alam naman natin ang difference nila. Children carry innocence and they wonder a lot, while adults carry wisdom and responsibility. So what is the solution for understanding? Adults must listen to the purity of children's perspective, while children must honor the lessons of those who came before them. Growth require both curiosity and guidance. So yun, adult must listen to the child. So, Akala ko noon na mga bata ang kailangan makinig sa mga matatanda. Pero ngayon, naintindihan ko na ang mga adult, mga matatanda, ang kailangan makinig sa mga kabataan. Ang pakikinig ay hindi lang pakikinig sa salita, kundi yung nakikita mo ang ginagawa ng mga bata. So meaning, kahit hindi ka kinakausap ng mga bata, naririnig mo ang kanilang pangangailangan. Kayo mga magulang o mga matanda na nasa bahay, listen to the child. Minsan mga bata, maraming tanong. Maraming tanong na kailangan ng sagot para maintindihan ng mga kabataan kung bakit ganyan, bakit ganito. Kaya nga, yung difference natin dito sa mundo ay isa na dito, edad. May bata, may matanda. Dahil para mabalance ang sitwasyon. Kasi itong mga matatanda nagtuturo ng lesson para sa mga kabataan at syempre itong mga kabataan meron ding matututunan ang mga matatanda sa kanila. So both are important. Kaya huwag niyong sabihin bata pa lang. May purpose siya kung bakit siya naging bata. Kaya humility and kindness, it is really important na kailangan tayo mag-invest sa humility para magkaroon tayo ng understanding, para hindi tayo madali mag-judge. Pangatlo, economic status, wealth, and hardship. May mahirap, may mayaman. Diba? So, what's the difference? Some are born into abundance, while others face daily struggles. Nadinig natin yan at nakikita natin na may mayaman, siyempre haya-hayang buhay when it comes to financial at mayroon ding nag-struggle sa financial. Kung mayaman naman, iba naman yung struggle nila. Diba? Minsan relationship, pang-aabuso, betrayal, at itong mahirap naman, syempre nahirapan, walang pera, stress, so pwedeng mas maraming problema. So, mayaman o mahirap, lahat may problema, but in different way. Lahat may problema, pero kanya-kanya, iba-iba yung problema na nararanasan ng bawat isa. No, ang galing ng Panginoon. Kung paano niya ginawa ang mga tao. Lahat nakaranas ng struggle, but in different way. Na minsan may malungkot, minsan may masaya. Diba? May purpose talaga ang Panginoon kung bakit ang daming differences dito sa mundo. What are the solution for understanding? Wealth should teach generosity, and hardship should teach resilience. Instead of envy or pride, we can learn from each other's circumstances and practice compassion. Yun, pag mayaman, kailangan magbigay, tumulong. At pag mahirap naman, kailangan resilience, magsipag, umaksyon para yumaman. 4, o pang-apat, culture. Different languages and traditions. So the difference, our way of living, celebrating, and speaking vary across the world. So what is the solution for understanding? Explore culture with humility and openness. Diversity reminds us no single culture holds all wisdom. 5. Faith and belief. Different religions and practice. So the difference? People worship differently. interpret truth uniquely, and follow distinct traditions. So what is the solution for understanding? True faith, it doesn't mean erasing other people's beliefs, but learning to honor them. We don't have to agree with everything, but we can choose to listen, respect, and love beyond labels. Para maintindihan natin at magkaroon tayo ng respeto sa iba, kailangan makinig tayo. Kasi kapag nakikinig tayo, mas naintindihan natin kung bakit nangyayari ang mga bagay na yan. The purpose of our differences is not to create a division, but to reveal a greater purpose. So, ayan na nga. Lahat tayo may purpose dito sa mundo. Love that transcends boundaries. When we learn to honor the gender, age, wealth, culture, and faith with humility and respect, we participate in God's design for unity in diversity. Kung marunong tayo rumispeto sa pagkakaiba ng mga tao at mga bagay dito sa mundo, meaning sinusunod natin ang design ni God na magkaisa tayo, sumang-ayon tayo sa Panginoon. Kapag nirespeto natin yung differences ng bawat isa dito sa mundo. In the end, life is not about proving who is right, but about choosing to love even when we don't fully understand. Our differences are not obstacles. They are opportunities to grow, to serve, and to see the face of God in one another. So, hindi problema yung pagkakaiba natin dito sa mundo. Kahit hindi natin naintindihan ang mga bagay-bagay, but still, we have to choose to love and kind with humility. And I hope you've learned from this episode today. And before I end this episode, success is not about money. It is about mindset, discipline, and wisdom. Keep pushing forward, keep learning, and keep growing. This is Gina Kalinog reminding you that your future is built today. See you next year. Happy New Year!